Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create key influencers visualization in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. Let's activate the key influencers. So here we'll have to specify analyze. Basically, this is a dependent variable. So we want to analyze sales, or rather the variation in the sales, that is increasing sales or decreasing sales. We want to explore the reasons for it. So let's pick up the subcategory and drop it into explain by. Activate the focus mode. Now read this question. What influences sales to increase? So first is subcategory. When the subcategory is stables, your sales increases. Read this. When subcategory is stable, the average sales is 4327.75 units, higher compared to all other values of subcategory. This influencer contains approximately 3.19% of the data. Click on it. You will get more insight. Now, click on when subcategory is chair. So when the subcategory is chair, the average sales is 322.38 units higher. Right? Now, minimize this visualization. And you can see that this is the average line. Okay. So the sale of copiers, machines, tables, chairs, they all increase our overall average sales. Now click here. So this will give me the four most significant subcategories which increases our sales. You can also find out the reason for decrease. Click here. So these are the subcategories because of which our sales are dropping. Right. Now click on top segments. So identify the top segments due to which our sales increases. So click on the first segment. So the first segment is subcategories chairs. So in segment 1, the average sales is 532.3. This is 302.5 units higher than the overall average. Quite good. Segment 1. Segment 2. The sales will be higher when the subcategory is not chairs, not papers, not art, not binders. So if these are not present, the sales are higher. So in segment 2, the average sales is 381.3. This is 151.4 units higher than the overall average. Segment 2. Segment 3 is subcategories phones. So you can also find out the segments for low sales. Click on the first one. Subcategory is art. So in segment 1, the average sales is 34.07. This is 195.8 units lower than the overall average. If you want to give a proper explanation, right click on it and summarize. So sales decreased the most when subcategory was fasteners. 6 other factors also caused sales to decrease. So this is how you can find out the reasons why sales are increasing or decreasing with the help of key influencers in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.